Please like, share, and subscribe.
2020 Land Rover Defender 110 HSE, finished in Indus Silver Metallic with Acorn leather interior. This is a one-owner, very well-equipped Defender HSE with an original MSRP of $72,960. Options 3.0-liter inline $60. 8-speed automatic transmission. Heads-up display. Heated and ventilated front seats. Panoramic moonroof. 4-corner air ride suspension. 363D surround camera system. Apple CarPlay. Black pack includes gloss black fender vents, Narvik black hood checker plate, and gloss black Defender script, gloss Black Grille Bar. Radio, 700-watt 15-speaker MERIDIAN surround sound system. Rough cut walnut veneer. 2020 Land Rover Defender 110 HSE is a high-specification version of the Defender 110 SUV, offering a luxurious interior with premium features while maintaining the vehicle's renowned off-road capability, including a powerful engine option, adjustable air suspension, all-wheel drive, and a spacious 5-passenger cabin. Key features: engine options, 3.0-liter inline-6 with mild hybrid technology. Transmission, standard 8-speed automatic transmission. Interior amenities, leather upholstery, heated seats, MERIDIAN sound system, panoramic sunroof, premium materials throughout. Technology, large 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with POV Pro, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation. Off-road capabilities, standard all-wheel drive, adjustable air suspension for varying terrain, high ground clearance, weighting depth exceeding most competitors. Exterior design, distinctive boxy design with modern touches, LED headlights, optional exterior styling packages. Important points to consider: cargo space. The Defender 110 boasts a large cargo area, further expandable with the rear seats folded down.
Please like, share, and subscribe.